What's up, Sean? What's up, Nick? What's up, Eric? What's up, YouTube? It is New Year's Eve. We're wrapping it up at the shop right now. Hope you guys enjoy your night. Be safe, have fun. Don't drink and drive, all right? Because I'm coming for you. But yeah, so we're wrapping up at the shop. I do have a tutorial coming out. It wasn't intended to be a tutorial. It was an Instagram video that I made on how I cut my own hair. It's a crop top. I used to have long, flowy hair, but then I decided to chop it off because I was just over it. My hair, I've never had a really dominant hairline, so I wanted to change it up, do something different. And I remember my teacher telling me, that the crop top is coming in style. It started like the European side, and now it's slowly making its way over here. You can tell a lot of people are starting to get the crop. So, I decided, why not make a video cropping my own hair? So I ended up having a lot more footage than I thought. A lot of people ask me, how do you cut your hair? Can we see a more in-depth video? So this next tutorial is on that, over how I achieved that look and what I did, how I cut it, why I cut it a certain way, get some value from it, learn something new, some scissor work. I am still working on my scissor work, really focus on tension and sectioning, making sure you have a clean line. So you guys have a good, happy New Year's. Be safe. And let's get on to the tutorial. Oh, also, go ahead and drop likes and below saying happy birthday to my girlfriend, because she is born on January 1st. Well, not really, she's born November 17th, but she wasn't born here. She moved over here, so she has a faux birthday, so she has like 2 birthdays. But yeah, so drop some, happy birthdays for her, all right? Let's get into the tutorial. What's up, guys? Today's tutorial is on myself and how I crop my hair, so we're gonna go over how I achieved this style. First, going ahead and wetting my hair, getting it ready for, the sectioning, so I have nice clean sections. I went ahead and took my first section on the frontal, right above my forehead. I did that just so I could set the foundation. I want to go ahead and cut the corners really tight so that my hairline looks a lot more fuller and a little bit longer in the front, just so I have something to move with. After that, you want to go ahead and comb the hair back down, make sure it's all even, you got all the hairs. Right here, I'm just kind of point cutting just so it's not too bulky. After that, I'm taking my next section. So I put the comb on top of my head and I bent it to see where the bend in my head is. And that's where I take my first section. So that's right there. And I did get on that side. So I put the comb on top of my head, tilted it so where the bend in my head would be. And that's where I take my first section. And I'm pulling that section all the way down past my parietal ridge, so that when I comb it forward, my head still has that square shape. So I pulled it all the way down past my parietal ridge, so I have enough length that when my hair is, styled, it'll still look square and have that shape. Doing the same on this side, pulling it all the way down past my parietal ridge and cutting that. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard trying to record this for Instagram and cut my hair, because I was trying, get the scissors in there where they could see it, along with, try not cut my finger. I did actually cut my finger a little bit. It wasn't too bad, but I did snip it a little bit. You can see me struggling. See, look, I'm trying to figure it out. This is all the uncut stuff. I didn't put this in the Instagram, but I'll give it to you guys for the YouTube. Go ahead and connecting the back. Now I just combed all my hair forward again, and I'm just relining where the longer hair was hanging past where my initial guideline was. Because my hair was really long. It was probably like 7 inches or so. So I cut a good amount off. It was a big change. I first didn't like it, but I got a lot of compliments about it after. And it's a good style. It's very easy, low maintenance. Now I'm just taking vertical sections on the top of my head, about 2 fingers width. And then I'm gonna start my next guideline for taking away length now. I'm probably gonna cut, I think, about half the length. Trying to make my partings as perfect as I can, but it is kind of hard doing it on yourself. So here we go. I'm gonna pull that all the way up, and you're gonna see where the short hair is from the front. So right there, and then I'm gonna cut all that. And this will be my main guideline. that I will follow throughout the rest of the haircut. Taking that on the back and cutting more just so it's all even. And now I'm taking horizontal sections and I'm going to connect that to the side. So here I'm pulling that up, see where the short hair is, and then I'm going to cut all that long hair right there. And the same on the other side. Following it all the way to the back, cutting all that length off right there. Now I'm going ahead and combing everything forward. Now I'm just going to double check my work. Now I just finished cutting the top. Now it's time to style. I am using Strand sea salt spray. Throw a few pumps in there and then go ahead and blow dry it. I did use a diffuser just so it doesn't move my hair like crazy, and it kind of keeps it all in place and gives a nice volume, but nothing, you know, where it's too frizzy or anything like that. I went and just lined up my beard while I'm here just so the cut looks clean. I've been liking this cut, you know, keeping everything kind of dark and having just a nice edge up, but you know, no tapers, no fade or anything, just, you know, kind of short around the taper area into the beard, and then just having a nice line, kind of like that Drake look, but you know, without the whole fade. I like everything connecting. I don't know, I've been digging it lately. I was just trying to make something funny for the video. A little break, because that was honestly a tough time. But now I'm just using the S&D volumizing powder. I realized I was using this product wrong. You're supposed to be tapping the top to get the product out a lot easier, but just picking it up, putting it inside my roots, just so it gets to the very bottom, so that it will give you that volume look. I'm just going and tapping that all in. Boom, that's pretty much the finished look. Just playing with everything, seeing how I like it. This was my first time really styling it, so. But yeah, that's the finished look, so let me know what you think. Did you like it before? Did you like it after? I think it's dope. This looks really coming in, so let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.